As you probably know, there has been a lot of hype about AI in the past years, and no doubt you have written or witnessed some of the ups and downs of this. But we are now at the moment where AI is really ready for practical use. I'm here to show you today how Mia, our AI breast screening solution, is ready to help radiologists in their everyday work. Before all else, however, I want to emphasize that I'm not talking about replacing radiologists, but giving radiologists powerful new tools. These are tools to reduce the case overload that causes unnecessary stress and rush decisions, and to support decision-making and ultimately give radiologists peace of mind while reading mammograms. Besides focusing on support rather than replacement, the second most important thing is really the readiness of AI by ensuring patient safety. Of course, this safety has to be evidenced by thorough testing in clinical trials, which is where we are exactly today. Our company has just won a huge award from the UK government to support a national rollout of Mia ahead of all global competitors. We won this award because of our focus on patient safety through rigorous clinical validation of high performance and generalizability. Generalizability is one of the main things that underpins patient safety, and it means the AI solution will work the same level of performance for any woman, any scan, anywhere, no matter what the variance is in breast density, ethnicity, or screening service setup. Generalizability is one of the universal challenges of any AI solution, and one we absolutely must solve, particularly in healthcare where patients' outcomes and lives are at stake. And this is where the hype can hurt and become really, really dangerous. So for the last few years at Chiron, we have been keeping away from the hype and quietly working behind the scenes on 2 trials of unprecedented scale and results. 2 years ago, we tested Mia in our first study, demonstrating that it operates at 90% sensitivity and 89% specificity on a screening population. And this groundbreaking performance resulted in the world's first, and as far as we know, really still the only regulatory clearance for software as an independent reader of mammograms in double reading workflows. With patient safety and clinical rigor at the heart of the mission, we committed to going beyond what current regulations require to ensure and prove that Mia is the best performing software and is safe for all women screened. This led to our second trial, a multi-site, multi-hardware, and multi-country trial with over 250,000 cases from real-world screening populations, making it one of the most ambitious trials in radiology AI to date. This trial showed a level of performance that strongly indicates practical utility and a level of generalizability that strongly indicates safety. We see that with the use of Mia, the standard of care can be maintained or may even be improved, even in the gold standard double reading setting, with achieving 2.5% to 5% recall rate and maintained sensitivity. So what's next? The next step is that we're taking generalizability to a new level to make sure that Mia is equally performant across different ethnicities, which is a critical thing for this geography. Besides that, we are also leveraging our groundbreaking work in 2D mammography so that we can bring the same level of rigor, safety, and impact to women screened with DBT. So Mia 3D is coming soon. Please get in touch with us if you want to be part of this journey.
As well as Mia for DBT, we're also concluding work on an exciting new product. Mia IQ, or Mia Intelligent Quality, is our second AI-enabled solution in the Mia family. Evidence suggests that technical problems related to image acquisition, including breast positioning, are responsible for delayed detection in 22% of screening detected cancers and 35% of interval breast cancers in the US. Image quality issues can also be the reason for organizations failing to pass independent audits. In partnership with one of the world's most respected national screening programs, we are co-developing the solution, which is capable of addressing these problems for screening by automating the review of image quality on each screening mammogram. Introducing Mia IQ AI at the very start of the screening pathway ensures consistency and high-quality diagnostic images. The solution works by Mia IQ reading mammography images and providing a detailed technical assessment of the image quality. These outputs can then be used to drive training and continuous improvement among mammography technologists. So far, Mia IQ has been developed on 2D images, but will be adapted to also be capable of analyzing the 2D synthesized view of the 3D sequence, meaning that we can offer MIA IQ for tomosynthesis. We know that in order to have the greatest impact on breast cancer screening, we need to integrate AI solutions throughout the care pathway to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and better manage costs. Our vision is that MIA will offer fast, effective, and high-quality breast care from screening through to diagnosis, treatment, and surveillance. And so, part of this next phase for Chiron is branching out to develop more MIA products, which can help solve a range of service bottlenecks and problems. Ultimately, our solutions will mean that women can attend their mammogram, receive an immediate result, and, if required, the provider can perform diagnostic follow-up during the screening visit on the same day. This one-stop shop approach is transformational for women. It removes the sleepless nights that women and their families would otherwise experience waiting for their results. It also means that they will be able to start their treatment without delay, leading to better healthcare outcomes. For care providers, this approach is designed to save upfront and downstream cost by improving cancer detection. So, whatever challenge your screening service is facing or may face in the future, our vision is that MIA will be able to help. This may include using MIA as a concurrent reader, as an independent second reader, a breast density assessment tool, or as a triaging tool. These solutions are our top priority in order to give women a better fighting chance against breast cancer.
Hopefully this presentation has given you a taster of our focus at Chiron on safe AI that supports radiologists. As a last point, I want to share with why this matters to me personally. My mom is a radiologist, and so I spent a lot of my childhood in radiology departments. I've seen the workload, the time pressure, and the stress of making tough decisions in hard circumstances, such as inhuman workflows and with software tools that are inadequate. At Chiron, we are dedicated to changing this and helping radiologists do the best possible work at all times. It is really important to me that we continue talking with radiologists who are on the front lines. If you want to learn more about MIA, how to do AI safely, our company, or our work, please head over to our website. Thank you.